So we just learned all about parallelograms. Parallelograms are a type of quadrilateral and a type of trapezoid. So how do I draw a parallelogram? I know that I need 4 straight lines and a closed shape. And I know that both opposite sides have to be parallel, meaning they never touch. So unlike trapezoids, where we only had to worry about one set of parallel sides, parallelograms, we need 2 sets of parallel sides. And then we know that all the angles are going to add up to 360, and opposite angles are going to be equal in degree. So let's try to draw one. Now, drawing on technology is difficult. We don't have rulers or protractors or measuring tools or straight edges of any kind to help us. So we're just going to have to go based on eye and know that we mean for them to truly be parallel. So let's take a look. I'm going to start off my parallelogram with these 2 parallel lines. I made them off center. You don't have to, but I did. Okay. I know that they're parallel. And in order for them to be parallelograms and not trapezoids, the other 2 lines also have to be parallel, meaning they'll never intersect each other. Now, I'm going to try to see if I made a parallelogram that's true. If I extend this line up, extend this line, they're never going to meet each other. And if I extend these lines and these lines, they are never going to cross or intersect. So these are truly parallel, and I have made parallel lines, both sets, so they are parallelograms. Now if I were to measure angles, these angles would match in degree, and these angles would match in degree. Looking at it roughly, they both kind of look the same. These are a little bit less than 90 degrees, so we call them acute. These are greater, so we call them obtuse. Let's draw one more. Okay, let's see. Let me do it this way. I'm gonna make another parallel line. I'm going to check to make sure. It looks like they will never cross each other. And then I'm going to make my other 2 lines. So I have 4 lines that are closed, meaning they're quadrilateral, and those 2 lines never match and meet. So I really do have 2 sets of parallel lines. And again, if we were looking at the angles, this angle here would match its opposite angle there, and they both kind of look the same. And these 2 angles opposite each other would match, which they both kind of look the same. So I've drawn some parallelograms. Now it's going to be your turn to try to draw at least 2 different parallelograms like I did. The main thing that you guys need to do and worry about is not a perfect drawing, but why would these be classified as parallelograms? Use the characteristics to defend your answer. I know this is a parallelogram because it's a closed shape with 4 straight lines. I know that both sides are opposite and parallel, meaning they'll never intersect. All my angles are 360 degrees together, and the opposite angles match. And truly, what makes this different than a trapezoid is that while a trapezoid has 1 matching parallel side, this one has 2.